I had volunteered for 9 community events, and they all have some degree of physical activity related with it. I am supporting and demonstrating that physical activity is a critical part to the overall health and wellness of our community. When I'm volunteering, I'm riding a bike, I'm out walking, or even climbing a mountain, doing the girls' grind along with the participants. As a volunteer, I'm here to ensure that they have fun and that they have safe passage. The feeling I have knowing that I've gone out to help the charities make me feel warmth in my heart. But at the same time, I know it's not just only me, it's myself with hundreds and thousands of other volunteers, and that we together as a team, we all help make these charitable events, these community events be successful. And that helps us to draw upon Vancouver as a community that's very desirable for people to live in, for people to work in. At the same time, it also enables these charities to have the funding to do the research that they need to do to help.
Through the radio station that the family owned, AM 1550 Share Punjab, we've been doing fundraising for the Children's Hospital for the past 8 years. It's been very, very rewarding in that sense that you see the impact that you're making on the lives of the children of BC. And everybody has kids. I have 4 children of my own, and they visited Children's Hospital. So it's dear to your heart. You want to make sure you give back, to the community any way you can. And we're very fortunate in that regard that our listeners have been able to make a contribution. Whenever we asked them to, when there was an earthquake in Pakistan, our radio station was able to raise $1 million, which we hand-delivered to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and those funds were used to build schools and hospitals. My goal here is to try to do whatever I can to make a even little impact in the lives of others. So I think that's one of the things that really motivates me is we're blessed, we have so much, we have abundance. So I think if we can give back just a little and also let others know around you that maybe that we should be doing a little bit more than we are.
Last year, our office raised over $35,000 towards the BC Children's Hospital, and it's very impressive. I've been to the hospital. I've seen that money stays in our local community, and it's very empowering seeing the young children that receive those proceeds. The other initiative that we get involved in is, of course, the annual blanket drive. The program normally goes 1 to 2 weeks. For our office, it goes more like 6 weeks. And when I look at our office during the peak time at the end of November, we've got boxes and bags throughout the whole office. Very empowering knowing that those items are going to a worthy place. This year at our annual kickoff breakfast, we introduced a new initiative called Backpack Buddies for school-age children in the Vancouver East Market. And we had one of the kids in that program come and speak to our group at our as I said, our kickoff breakfast. And boy, there was not a dry eye in the place. We raised, with our 120 agents in attendance at that breakfast, we raised over $10,000. To my fellow realtors, get out there and make a difference, because there's a very fulfilling feeling that comes from that. And as I say, I would challenge all my realtors out there to go out and do that.